Welcome to Softreviewed. In this video, I just want to share with you a new feature that Google just rolled out. Google now lets you create storybooks. It's really easy. If you have an image, you can then just convert that into a storybook like that. And you can even listen to the created story in over 45 languages. That's the main thing because it breaks all the language barriers and it supports like a wide variety of languages, and you can also share it and print it as well. This is not a paid feature. It's available for free for everyone who has like a Gemini account. It supports like different art styles: pixel art, comic strip, clay motion, coloring book, urban sketch. And see, as you can see, these are some of the examples of different art styles that it supports. Even you can upload your own images or like documents and even convert that into a story. And the best part is it can like keep a character consistency as well. In order to get started, we need to go to Gemini. You can go to gemini.google.com. You can go to like your gems that you can see here. Click on explore gems and then click on like this experimental storybook gem, and let's just say let's paste this, create a storybook that explains the solar system to my 5-year-old. So let's just click on enter and see what it comes up with. See, our storybook is ready. You can open the book by clicking on this button, and you can also click on it.
Loved to gaze at the night sky with her best friend, Robbie the robot. I wonder what's out there, she'd often ask. One night, Robbie beeped excitedly. Let's go find out, he chirped. So Alara put on her sparkly astronaut suit, and off they zoomed in their little spaceship. First, they visited the biggest, brightest star of all, the sun. Wow, it's so warm and shiny, said Alara. The sun helps plants grow on Earth. Zooming past the sun, they found Mercury, the closest planet. It's super duper hot in the day and super duper cold at night.
You can see the power of this, right? This can be educational as well as entertaining at the same time. I wish we had this when I was a kid. But yeah, learning can be fun as well if you know how to use all these tools. So we can also upload our own images. Let's upload a file. I'll upload this guy's image. Story about this guy saving a cat. So just want to show you like we can upload our own images and we can ask AI to generate the story based on that specific guy. And also the character can be consistent as well. See the resemblance. It looks similar, right? So as you can see, we have the story of him saving that cat. And just note, it can only be up to 10 pages. Maybe you can also like create some YouTube videos, right? Like creating the stories and playing it like a slideshow. Maybe if you want a YouTube channel, because it's really free and you can get started very quickly, right? So the voice is also already there. You have all these options. You can change the pitch, lower the pitch, start from beginning, and all these options are available. And one more thing that I want to show you is that this is another story that I wrote based on my mother tongue. So as you can see, it can work with different languages as well. So it's not limited to just English. So that's where it really shines. Do check it out. Even you can use it for like understanding complex topics really fast. And maybe you can upload like a tough PDF or something here, and you can ask AI to convert that into a story. So it's not just limited for kids. Even older people can use it in order to make their learning experience much more enjoyable and memorable. Again, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos so that it will encourage me to create more videos like this. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day. Click that thumb and join the dream.
Hit that bell, come on, subscribe.